Columbia is actually in the middle of the state, where it's called the Midlands in the Columbia area. We are north of Charleston and south of Greenville, Spartanburg.
We're located about an hour from Charlotte, probably 2.5 hours from Myrtle Beach.
US Airways brought Piedmont in to Columbia, I think in 2001. And they've been doing the ground handling both above wing and below the wing. We have a total of 119 employees. We have 24 full-time employees in total, and the rest are all part-time.
We usually serve about 18 flights a day.
We do have LaGuardia, Philadelphia, DC, and Charlotte and Dallas every day.
We have Miami as well in the summertime. We operate Miami on a Saturday.
I like the fact that we see a variety of aircraft types fly in and out of here. We have the 145s, but then we'll get a 175, we'll get a mainline 319.
I'd say the biggest difference between here and other Piedmont stations would probably have to be our diversions.
Columbia is known as the diversion central for Charlotte because of the proximity as well. We're just, I think, 101 miles from Charlotte. Our largest diversion event, most memorable one, was when we had 18 diversions on the ground, 10 of which were mainline and the others were all regional.
A lot of aircrafts kind of come here to kind of run away from the weather from Charlotte, but then right when they land here, we kind of get hit with weather.
In addition to that, Fort Jackson is one of the largest Army training bases in the United States, and they're just down the road from us. And I do believe they provide about 60% of our passengers traveling out of here. So we're known for handling those military exoduses as well.
Military Day usually runs about Thursdays and Fridays. We can run up to about 60 to 80 bags per aircraft, depending on which one.
Apart from the military, we do have a lot of government employees flying to DC, and of course since COVID our leisure travelers have increased.
And some people come into like the college environment, they go to 5 Points, that's a real fun place to go.
Columbia being a college town for South Carolina, and they're the Gamecocks. We have a nice little downtown area where there's a couple of different districts downtown. You can pick which one you want to go to or go to all of them.
Sometimes they have little festivals going on downtown. We got Lake Murray out here. I know they enjoy fishing out here.
I've discovered that Piedmont is one of the best companies to work for.
What I like about Piedmont is that I feel like they treat their employees really well.
Ever since I've joined the management team, I've discovered that the Piedmont leadership team, upper management especially, have a good vision for the company.
The knowledge you get working with Piedmont, I learned a lot working on the ramp, all the way from marshalling to pushing back an aircraft.
Being a small station, we kind of do everything.
I can do multiple things when I come in. Push wheelchairs, work the bag room, push back planes, jump in the cargo bin, drop bags at baggage claim.
To me, it's a little exhilarating just learning all that stuff, working around planes.
Our teamwork here is really good. We're a team on everything that we do.
And we're always looking out for each other.
I'd encourage anyone who wants to have a good relationship with your boss, with your managers and your supervisor. This is a place to be.